Hello, friends. Listen, I was thinking about y'all this morning, and I was thinking about the times that I was standing and believing God for the impossible. The situations looked impossible. When I was standing and believing God to restore my marriage, it looked impossible. All the things that I was seeing with my natural eye said the opposite of what I was reading in the Word of God. But I stood on it, and I found that when I stood on the Word of God, that many people did not understand. See, guys, this is the thing. The lukewarm, they won't understand you. The lukewarm will never understand the people that dare to believe the Word of God. And I found so many times, instead of encouraging me and pushing me to stay in the battle, they tried to discourage me by telling me, Shawnna, you got to let him go. You got to let him go. If it's God's will, he'll bring him back. Well, friends, I already knew it was God's will from reading the Word of God. And so I want to encourage you with this today. If you are being discouraged by people, whether it be your mom, dad, brother, sister, best friend, guys, Jesus understands that. Jesus understands that because in Mark chapter 3, it says his family heard what was happening, talking about Jesus, and they tried to take him away. They said, he's out of his mind. That was Jesus's own family. Friends, it doesn't matter what people think, because in the end, they don't have as much to lose as you do. I find it very funny that the same people that is discouraging you to stand for your marriage, to dare to believe the Word of God, are the same people that they're not in that battle. Their spouses are at home with them. They are doing well in their family. Do not let other people's words discourage you. If they don't understand your walk, if they don't understand what you're believing in, then just distance yourself from them. That is the only way that you will survive in this battle. So today I would like to encourage you, if you feel like you are in this battle and you are all alone and you can't find anyone to come into agreement with you, I want to come into agreement with you. If your spouse or your child is on this wall, the Road to Restoration wall, and you are believing for their return, I want to invite you to the mentor program. Guys, there is just a few things that is shared to the public. I try to protect the privacy of you and your family. And so many things that are happening is not shared in the public. On the public pages here on TikTok, it's only in the mentor program. So I would like to invite you today, if you have not joined the mentor program, you can find the link below, ShawnnaMitchell.com. Join the mentor program where you will find many other believers standing in the gap just like you, believing for the impossible. And they encourage each other. We have prayer groups. We have prayer partners. I myself will pray with you privately on a one-on-one call. Guys, that is what this ministry is about. It is about getting down in the dirt with you, because I was once there and I know how lonely this road is. I hope to see you soon.